Hybrid animals such as lions and tigers are frequently the result of mating between two related creatures. They look different, but some of them are very rare and unique. Here are the 10 rarest crossbred animals in the world. Number 10, Wholphin. The Wholphin, also known as a Wholphin, is a rare hybrid created when a female bottlenose dolphin and a male false killer whale mate. The name references a whale-dolphin hybrid. Even though they have been seen in the wild, there are only 2 in captivity, both at Sea Life Park in Hawaii. When Kekemalu, the first Wholphin in captivity, gave birth at an early age, she proved to be productive. After a few days, the calf perished. However, Kaimalu gave birth to a daughter, Pohaikialoa, in 1991, who died at the age of 9. Number 9, Mule. Mules are the offspring of a male donkey and a female horse. Horses and donkeys are 2 distinct animals with different DNA counts. A mule is simpler to obtain than a hinny of the 2 F1 hybrids between these 2 animals. Hinny is a result of a cross between a male horse and a female donkey. Male mules and the majority of female mules are both sterile. Mules can be light, medium, or even somewhat high in weight when bred from mares of draft horses. Number 8, Zebroid. A Zebroid, also known as a zebra hybrid, Z-donk, zebra mule, or zebrule, is the child of any cross between a zebra and any other horse. The sire is almost always a zebra stallion. All zebra hybrids are referred to as zebroids. The portmanteau convention of sire's name plus dam's name is used to name the various hybrids. There isn't much of a distinction between the kind of zebras employed. Zorse, zonkey, and zoni are other examples. Number 7, Cama. The Cama, like the Beefalo, was developed to produce a more commercially viable animal than either of its parents. Camas are dromedary camel and llama hybrids produced through artificial insemination. Because male dromedary camels can weigh 6 times more than female llamas and reverse breeding is ineffective, this is the best and safest way to breed them. Camas lack camel humps and have soft, fleecy fur akin to that of llamas. They were designed to produce mega wool and be strong and docile enough to be utilized as a pack animal in desert regions. Number 6, Beefalo. Beefalo is a cross between buffalo and domestic cattle. Beefalo was created by mating a tamed bull with a female American bison. Unlike many other animal hybrids, Beefalo can reproduce on their own, which is beneficial. Humans cross these creatures to increase meat output, and they now have the best characteristics of both species. They produce meat that is leaner and tastier than bison, yet they are more docile and easier to keep than domestic cattle. Beefalo are typically 37.5% bison and look much like cattle. Some bison breeds are nicknamed catalo because they include 50% or more bison. Furthermore, any hybrid that looks more like a bison than a cow is commonly referred to as an exotic animal rather than cattle. Number 5, Green Sea Slug. The green sea slug is possibly one of the most unique hybrid animals on the planet. It's a type of sea slug that takes genetic material from the algae it feeds and combines it into its DNA. The bizarre result is a plant-animal hybrid that can eat like an animal or produce its nourishment through photosynthesis. These sea slugs are known as emerald green Elijah by scientists. Their ability to convert sun energy into food is responsible for their vibrant green color. Scientists recognize that further research will be required to establish how this phenomenon occurs. However, this is currently the sole successful case of gene transfer from one complex organism to another. Number 4, Geep. The Geep, an appealing mix between a goat and a sheep, is one of the prettiest and cuddliest hybrid animals. Despite its beautiful appearance, the Geep is quite rare. Some specialists question whether the Geep is a real hybrid or simply a sheep with genetic flaws. Cross-species conception is nearly difficult since goats and sheep have different numbers of chromosomes. If this occurs, only a small percentage of kids are carried to term and even fewer survive birth. Number 3, Liger. The liger, which is the offspring of a male lion and a female tiger, is the most well-known hybrid animal and the largest of the big cats. The size of a liger's offspring is frequently much larger than that of its parents. The world's largest non-obese liger weighs 1,000 pounds. whereas the heaviest one ever recorded weighed 1,600 pounds. Unlike some other hybrid species, ligers would be extremely impossible to find in the wild because lions and tigers do not naturally populate the same places. They resemble lions more than tigers in appearance and behavior, but they do have tiger characteristics such as a love of swimming and striped backs. Number 2. Groler Bear. Groler bears are a mix between a grizzly bear and a polar bear. Groler bears are unique since, in general, polar bears and grizzlies dislike each other and will rarely live in captivity or their natural environments. Extreme circumstances and human interference, on the other hand, have increased the number of these charmingly shaggy, caramel-colored hybrid bears. They grow to be slightly smaller than polar bears. They can survive in warmer regions. Number 1. Jaglion. The Jaglion, which is a cross between a male jaguar and a female lion, is another magnificent and unusual big cat hybrid. Because Jaglions are so rare, little is known about them. However, 2 Jaglion cubs were born as a result of an unexpected mating between a black jaguar and a lioness. The one has the colors of a lion and the rosette patterns spotting of a jaguar, but the other, thanks to the dominant melanin gene present in the black jaguars, has a stunning dark gray coat and black spotting. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.